Today our big and threatening question is, what is Cyclone Hidaya? Cyclone Hidaya, named after the Arabic word for guidance, or the Swahili word for gift, is a severe storm that has the potential to cause significant damage and disruption. Cyclones are large-scale weather systems characterized by low-pressure centers and strong winds that rotate counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Cyclone Hidaya is expected to bring heavy rain, strong winds, and storm surges, posing a threat to coastal areas and causing potential flooding, landslides, and infrastructure damage. It is crucial for residents in affected areas to stay informed about the cyclone's progress and follow any evacuation orders or safety precautions issued by local authorities. Cyclone Hidaya was a tropical cyclone that formed in the southwest Indian Ocean in late April 2024. It affected several countries in the region, including Madagascar, Mozambique, and Tanzania. Cyclone Hidaya brought heavy rainfall, strong winds, and flooding, causing widespread damage to infrastructure, homes, and agricultural lands. The cyclone also resulted in casualties and displaced many people from their homes. Humanitarian efforts were launched to provide assistance to those affected by the cyclone. President William Ruto announced on May 3 at the State House in Nairobi that Kenya, which has never experienced a cyclone before, may witness one now. This announcement has put East Africa's largest economy on high alert. Cyclone Hidaya has developed over the South Indian Ocean, east of Tanzania and northeast of the Comoros. The cyclone, named Hidaya by the French Meteorological Service, Météo France's Centre in the Indian Ocean French Overseas Department of La Réunion, is currently at a severe level of warning. The maximum significant wave height has reached 7.9 meters, that is 26 feet, and the cyclone is forecast to make landfall. According to the Tanzania Meteorological Authority, Cyclone Hidaya is stationed about 340 kilometers off the coast southern Tanzania. The storm has continued to strengthen, with wind speeds increasing up to 140 kilometers per hour, while the cyclone is expected to decrease in strength in the next 12 hours as it moves very close to the coast of Tanzania. Heavy rain and strong winds are anticipated in several coastal regions, including Lindi, Pwani, Dar es Salaam, Tanga and Pemba in Kenya, which is already grappling with the effects of recent floods. President Ruto warned of the impending cyclone. Despite Kenya being considered safe from cyclones due to its latitude, President Ruto stated that this may no longer be the case. We have adopted a whole-of-government approach to ensure an effective response to the flood crisis. With meteorological reports forecasting increased rainfall, we urge Kenyans in flood-prone areas to promptly relocate to safer grounds. Adequate resources have been allocated to mitigate the effects of the floods on those affected, Ruto said.
Torrential rain has unleashed devastating floods, which have claimed 210 lives as of today. It has also caused injuries to many more and wreaked havoc on property, infrastructure, and livelihoods. The Meteorological Department and the IGAD Climate Prediction Application Center have issued a stark warning. Kenya may face its first ever cyclone. This cyclone, named Hidaya, could hit any time and is predicted to cause torrential rain, strong winds, and powerful and dangerous waves, which could potentially disrupt marine activities in the Indian Ocean and settlement along the Kenyan coast.
The United States Embassy in Kenya has also issued a warning to its citizens about the approaching cyclone, advising them to expect possible flooding, road closures, and dangerous boating conditions. Stay tuned to News Trending channel for further updates on Cyclone Hidaya and its impact on East Africa. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest news updates and stay informed. Stay informed with the latest updates on Cyclone Hidaya and other top news stories by subscribing to our channel. Don't miss out on important updates and stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe now.